If you could take $1,000 and turn it into $1,100, $1,200, or even $2,000, would you do it? Absolutely. This is the power of investing. What's up, everyone? It's Cameron with themoneyventure.com, where I discuss best practices on investing, personal finance, and building money-making businesses. I'm going to show you what investing is so you understand its true power. To understand the concept of investing, let's start with an example. Bert wants to open up a lemonade stand, but first he needs to purchase some lemonade, some supplies, and take some educational courses on how to run a business. He anticipates that it will cost him about $1,000 to purchase all his startup supplies and learn to become a business owner. By the end of the first year, his lemonade stand has produced $2,000 in income from sales. In other words, he has doubled his money. This is an example of investing in its most basic form. Bert invested $1,000 in his business and his education so that he could turn it into more money than what he started with. As defined by Investopedia.com, investing is the act of allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating an income or profit. Other examples of investing include when you take out a loan, the bank is investing its money in you. For example, they give you $1,000 and charge you an interest rate for the service. By the end of the term, you will have paid back the full $1,000 and paid back the interest, say $100. So the bank took $1,000, invested it in you, and turned it into $1,100 from the money you paid back to them. You can also invest your time. You may think that by spending your time reading a self-help book, you will be better equipped to apply it to your daily life. You invest your time by reading a book so that you can become a better person. When you purchase a house with expectations of its value increasing over time, you are investing in real estate. Or, when you go to college, you are investing in your education by paying to take classes and receive your degree with the hopes of getting a higher paying job after you earn your degree. The most well-known form of investing, and my favorite type of investing, is investing in the stock market. Here's how it works. When you buy shares of a stock in the stock market, you are buying small fractions of ownership in a company with anticipations that the company will grow over time. For example, if company A is worth $100,000 and you purchase 10 shares valued at $100 each, you now own $1,000 total of that company, and thus you own 1% of company A. If company A grows their business to be worth $150,000, remember that you own 1% of company A. So your initial $1,000 investment is now worth $1,500.